One of the most common questions that I get asked at Essentials in Writing is, for a high school student, what do students need to take in order to earn an English credit? Now, the English credit is a little bit different than the other subject areas for high school. For example, a student may be taking calculus and that counts as one math credit. However, for English, students need to complete a course in literary analysis and in composition, both. Students practice writing compositions and they also practice literary analysis at the high school level in order to earn a full credit of English. Here at Essentials in Writing, we have that for students. We have Essentials in Writing, which is a composition course, and we have Essentials in Literature, which is a literary analysis course. Together, when used for any grade level at the high school level, students can earn an English credit. Now, there's more information at the blog below, and I hope that you'll read it, but please know that if you have any questions, you can always contact us. We're here to partner with you in your homeschool journey.